Hi everyone, Sheree here. Today I thought I'd walk you through what is included in the Felicity Jane Harper kit. This is our new kit for November 2019 and there's lots of beautiful things in here. It's got a lovely fall or autumn theme to it, so I thought I'd show you a couple of things first, then I'll clear the desk and go into these other packs. So to start off with, here is the Harper Puffy Alphabet. It's a beautiful shiny gold, as you can see there, lovely gold foil, and it's got a row of hearts along the bottom, which is handy to use, and there's also numbers on the back. And this alphabet would also be great to use in any December documenting you've got. If you're doing your December album, this would be really nice to use. I love this font as well. So that is the Harper Puffy Alphabet. The stamp set we have this month, you can see here it's got some leaves here. I love that it's got the solid stamp so that you can colour the leaf outline stamps as well. And there's a little clusters of falling leaves here, another little solid stamp to colour those. There's your little circles for a checklist here, and then we've got phrases that say things like thankful, count your many blessings, gratitude, helps you fall in love with the life you already have, start and end each day with a grateful heart, today I'm grateful for, and then you can fill that in. There's the day number there as well, a couple of little hearts there, and again there's the solid heart so you can colour that outline, and there's a little asterisk there as well. So that is a really lovely stamp set, and these lines are fun too. They'd be great to go across a journaling card or a tag, anything like that. You could do all sorts of things with that stamp. So that is the Harper stamp set. There are also the cutest little pot of pumpkins and leaves. These are adorable. Try and get that to focus so you can see the detail on these. Aren't they so cute? So there's little pumpkins and leaves in there, absolutely adorable, and you get lots in this little pot that you can use. Alright, I think, there's one more thing I'll show you before I clear this. We have the epoxy shapes. So there's all these little plus signs in all the different colours of the kit, and the word thankful as well. Loving those. And there's also a traveller's notebook insert. So it has this beautiful floral on the front. Just totally blank on the inside. It has the nice square corners, and again it's that beautiful buttery paper on the inside. Absolutely love working with these pages. Alright, so I'll just clear this off a little bit so I can show you all of these other little bits and pieces. Okay, so these are the Harper felt leaves. These are absolutely gorgeous, and I love the stitch detail on each of these, and the colours are just so pretty. So there's two of each colour, one larger and one smaller leaf, and they are really beautiful. I can't wait to use those. So that's the felt leaves. We also have some little chipboard tags. I'll just open up this pack. Shake those out. There's lots of tags in here. There's a beautiful chipboard, nice and sturdy, and they've got that cute little hole at the top there. It's really cute. Alright, so we've got this striped one. There's the heart. We've got a blue, or like it's a navy blue with a white spot. We've got a gingham there. This cute little floral piece, one that you can add the date to, some black polka dots, one that says blessed, and this one here that says today I'm thankful for. So they are really cute. We haven't had those ones before in that style, so they're going to be really fun to use. Okay, next up we have the Harper frames. So these are made of cardstock, and they're all black and white frames. So we've got that banner piece there. This one here kind of looks like a wreath. We've got this cute little hand-drawn scalloped frame. Two squarer frames there. I love those. We've got this one here that's got a line around the outside and a dashed line on the inside. And then there's this other scrolly frame as well. So they are going to be fun to use. You could use those for journaling, put photos inside, embellishments, all sorts of things. So loving those. Alright, next up we'll have a look at the journaling cards. So there are 12 in this pack, I believe. So I've got this one here with a cute floral, and this one's got dots on the back. I've got this gingham piece here with a little section that you could stamp in or add embellishments to, and that one's got grid on the back. I've got this cute fall card, loving that one, with grid on the back. We've got leaves here, dots on the back of that one. Got some cute little hearts with grid. This, I love this one, the pink background with the dots, and there's a space in there for journaling or photo. This one here says start each day with a grateful heart. I love this one, so pretty with that pink background. This one here has got a white section, polka dots, and this mustard colour at the bottom there, the 3 sections. We've got a white one with stripes. This lovely black wood grain or dark grey wood grain. I've got a mustard stripe there, and one that says thankful. So they are the journaling cards. Okay, get those ones out of the way. Alright, so next up we have the die cut shapes, and then we'll have a look at the papers to finish off. Just get these ones out of here. Oh, there are so many pieces in this pack. There are 32 pieces in this die cut shapes pack. So we have some florals, and these ones, I don't know if you can see, but they've got a gold glitter accent in the center of those flowers. So pretty. Okay, so there's Harper herself. We've got a phrase that says my crazy beautiful life. Little acorns, so cute. More little florals there, another floral, a little bow. We've got lots of labels as usual. A couple of labels here that say a lot of love and thankful for you. A super cute house. Wow, I love that. That's one of my favorite pieces, I think. We've got together, grateful, a couple of tags here, some leaves, cute little flowers there. Another little, it's like a label that's got a border of leaves around it. That's really cute. More acorns in different colours. Another cute floral. Another little banner there. We've got this cute bird as well. That's really sweet. And we've got a grateful label there, and this gold glitter label as well. If you can see that, it's so pretty. And there's a few little hearts too. So they are the Harper die cut shapes. So many things to choose from in that pack. Okay, so let's take a look at the papers in the kit this month. So we have this really pretty floral paper. You could absolutely fussy cut some of these flowers to use, or just use it as is. It's really beautiful. On the reverse of that we have this stripe, and it's like a painted stripe. And on the branding strip, as always, we have this decorative edge, and this one has little leaves down that one. Next up we have this mustard coloured paper that's called Swiss Dot. On the reverse of that we have this really fun hand-drawn hearts. They're so cute. And then we have another spotty branding strip down that one. Then we have our plaid paper here, loving this colour. On the reverse of that we have the linen pattern, and then the branding strip has that stripe down the edge. Next up we have this grid. This is a really nice colour as well. On the reverse is this wood grain. Loving this paper, and it's got that gingham down the branding strip. This next paper is so cute. It's called Fruit, so it has like little apples and cherries on it. And then on the reverse of that we have these spots, and the branding strip has these stripes down the side. Then we have our ombre paper. I'm absolutely loving these colours together. On the reverse we have leaves, those little drawn leaves or the outline, and then the branding strip on that one is the mustard with a thin stripe. And then we have our solid colour papers as always. So this one here, as always, they have the scalloped edge. On the reverse of that is a darker shade of that same red colour. And then we have this one here with that lovely colour there and the mustard on the reverse. I'm really liking this. It's like a bluey green colour. Really enjoying that one. Alright, so they are the papers in the Harper kit this month. Also this month, over on the Felicity Jane blog, we'll be doing a gratitude journaling challenge. We have this journaling prompts list that's available as a free download in the shop. If you have a look in the shop under the Harper kit, you'll find these. You can just download it for free to print. It's available in a couple of different sizes. You'll see there's, I think it's A5 size and a 3x8 size. And there's also a floral version of this as well. If you don't like the check, there's also a floral that matches the Traveler's Notebook insert cover. So we hope you'll join in with this journaling challenge. I've really enjoyed the one we did last year on the blog, so I'll be joining in with a few of these as well. Keep an eye out for that as all the rest of the team share their pages. We'd love for you to join in, so make sure you share them on Instagram and tag with the hashtag FelicityJane so we can see what you're doing as well. And thank you for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what's inside the Harper kit, and I'll be back again really soon with more to share. Bye for now.